Hello everyone, Yumu here. Do you know Moondrop has a special edition for their wireless earbuds, NEKOCAKE? It started pre-order a few days ago and it is listed on HiFiGo for $50. We already start to ship it since today. Here it is. It has few upgrades and a lot of new accessories. Let's unbox it together and see what's new here. What's really interesting in this TWS, it has a customized voice command. And the brand have upgraded the chip size. They also use the latest Bluetooth chip version 5.2. Alright, thank you for watching and welcome to subscribe the channel. I will always bring the latest product unboxing about audio here. And I also have another channel named Mac Keys. It is another project by HiFiGo team. I will unbox the latest mechanical keyboards and gaming stuff there. You can find the channel on our HiFiGo YouTube profile. Welcome to subscribe there also if you are interested. See you next time.